Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to print two invitations on one page. First, to open the invitation, click on the Share button and download the completed design as a PNG file. After you have the PNG file, open the template link with the two image placeholders. You can find the template links in the video descriptions below. Click on the Upload button to upload the image you just downloaded. Drag the image into the two image placeholders. Click on the Share button to download the completed design. Download the file as PDF print type, which has the best resolution for printing. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.